Do you stream on your game console to Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer and you want to grow and stand out from the rest? I got you covered in this video. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. Streaming on a console can be tough because, you're limited by what the software allows you to do on the console. And because of this, it's hard to stand out amongst the masses, thus affecting your growth. Not to worry, I got your back of tips that are gonna help refine, improve, and help you grow your console stream. Now, I just wanna make something clear. This is for people that are broadcasting directly from their Xbox or PlayStation to Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer, or whatever platform out there that they're trying to get to. This is not for people that are streaming from their console to a capture card to their PC and then out to streaming platforms. That's a different video that we'll get in at another time. Tip number 1 is all about eliminating buffering, pausing, and skipping while somebody watches you stream. And thus, I highly recommend having a strong, hardwired connection straight to your console. There's a strong reason this is number 1, because think about it. If your stream is skipping or pausing every 2 minutes, come on, no one's gonna stick around to watch you. Now, if you have a newer Xbox or a PlayStation Pro or anything that's a new console release at the time of this video being released, I understand. Hey, the Wi-Fi cards inside the newer consoles, they're actually pretty darn good. But this is all about eliminating things that will affect your growth or people watching you. And adding a hardwired connection, it's actually really quite simple to do. Now, there's a very valid reason why a lot of you probably stream off Wi-Fi. It makes simple sense. You're probably really far away from where your router or your switch is, and you can't really run cable. But I still highly recommend figuring out a way to do it. It's very easy to get some CAT cable or some Ethernet cable and run it through a wall or a ceiling to get to where you're going. Make it a nice little weekend project. I will put a link in the description below because I've done this myself. I've run CAT cable all through my house and it's really easy to do and it only costs a couple bucks. So I'll put a link in the description below for all the ways that you can run it cleanly and efficiently through your home. Tip number 2 is all about having your Xbox, PlayStation 4, whatever console you're on, having that profile filled out that directs back into whatever streaming platform you're on. A lot of you out there probably just skip right over your bio section because you think nobody's gonna check it out. Heck, a lot of you probably didn't even know that there is a bio section for PS4 and Xbox and everything beyond that. You have to realize this is a great way for you to reach other people that are playing games currently with you. You would be surprised at how many followers you will get. If you're a great gamer out there, they will click in your profile, they will see that you're streaming under Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer, and they may go to your channel. Thus, you may gain a new viewer, a new regular, or a new sub. And this is super easy to do. Just take a few moments and fill out your bio. Make sure you put in there that you're a Twitch streamer or a YouTube streamer or a Mixer streamer and put the actual name as the way it's spelled in your URL. This way people can find you and you will be pleasantly surprised at how many people you will gain this way. And a special thank you for a viewer showing me this tip. Now, just a really quick bro note on the profile one. If you're a great gamer, you're having fun, and you're polite, you're gonna get a lot of great people and that type of audience that comes to your channel from PlayStation, Xbox, and everything in between. But if you're being a giant dick or an ass out there, or you're being toxic to other players, just letting you know, you're letting the windows open because people know how to find you and could cause trouble on your channel. So make sure you know your etiquette before you do this. Tip number 3 is all about setting up a bot so that way you don't miss any events or notifications that happen in your channel. One of the biggest problems with console streamers is they complain all the time that they don't have the bells and whistles of PC streamers because they don't get alerts or notifications or overlays or graphics or anything like that. But that's just what they are, just bells and whistles. But you can help close the gap by adding a bot to your channel that notifies you of actions that are happening in your channel or events. Like if you get a follower, it'll still announce it within your chat. If you get a sub or you get bits or hosts or raids, by having a bot, it'll still keep you notified. And you may not have access to cool graphics or overlays like that, but you can still make it a very personal connection by talking about it in your channel. The minute you get a follower, you can say thank you and praise them for things like that. Or if you get a host or a donation or bits, you can talk about it and make a personal connection with that person. It's not always just about having cool graphics that pop up all the time. Make that personal connection and your community will love it. Now there are a bunch of different bots out there, and this is for a different video at another time because I can go very in depth about this. But if you're not sure where to start, the top 3 that I would recommend is check out Stream Elements, look at Nightbot, and look at Streamlabs Chatbot. Those are probably gonna be the top 3 for beginners out there. They have more advanced ones, but like I said, that's a whole deep wormhole that I'll have to do videos on each one of those at a separate time. If you guys are interested in me doing bot video tutorials or reviews or anything like that, please let me know in the comments below and let me know which one you'd like me to start with so that way I can prioritize that for you all. Tip number 4 is all about playing with others online. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos on how to grow on Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer, I highly recommend playing with others online. It's the quickest and best way to form a community that will get you viewers, regulars, and subs. But this tip is not really about that. Look, streaming on a console is kind of its own unique beast. You, the streamer, have to decide really quick and upfront what type of people you're going to allow into your party chat while you're streaming. Playing with others online, doing dual streams or party groups is a great way to grow and form a community. And it can be really fun for you, the people in the group, and the people watching you. As long as people wait their turn to talk when others are finishing, making sure nobody speaks on top of each other, making sure nobody speaks all at the same time so it sounds like a mishmash of things, and making sure that nobody outshines the streamer, because hey, it's her or his stream after all. The problem is, nobody does this. When I go to streams and they're grouping up or they're doing party chats, dude, I can't tell you how many times I've heard kids yelling and screaming, way horrible background noise of people playing music that's feeding into the mic, or people just generally having a bad attitude, or even worse, they're speaking on top of or over the streamer's channel. That's a huge no-no on all aspects. Look, it's your channel. You should be the center of attention. You're the shining star. It's okay to have others in there, but make sure you lay down hard and fast rules the minute somebody comes into your channel and asks if it's okay to play with you. I myself, I lay down 3 rules before I accept any game invite, and in fact, I mute pretty much everybody in my channel, but I let them know it's nothing personal. It's just I want to keep my connection with the group channel on my Twitch stream, and everybody agrees with that. So make sure you lay down some strong, hard rules because you don't want to offend anybody. Tip number 5 is all about finding a quiet place to stream from. It seems easy, right? But I can't tell you how many times this is overlooked for so many console streamers. Look, if I come to your stream and all I hear is kids crying in the background, I'm not gonna stick around. If I come to your stream and I hear nonstop barking of dogs, I'm checking out. If I hear yelling, screaming, raging construction sounds going on constantly, sorry, it's annoying to hear and everybody's gonna leave. So finding a quiet, calm place to stream from is kind of a key situation if you wanna retain viewership on your stream. Now again, a lot of you are limited from where you can stream from. Perhaps all you got is your bedroom and you can't do anything about your environment. Well, the next tip is for you. Now, a lot of you out there won't have the option of showing your camera, which means your voice and your charisma is your best foot forward for capturing people's attention for viewership. And since your voice is so important, which means your audio is super important, which means you should invest in the right high quality microphone to make you sound aesthetically pleasing for all your viewers out there. A nice high quality microphone eliminates background noise, gives you nice baritones, and gives you crisp audio sounds, which a lot of your viewers will appreciate whether they're streaming party games with you or you're streaming directly to your streaming platform on Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer. Audio is always going to be one of the key things. Now, if you're a console streamer out there, you're going to have a plethora of different options to pick for sound. You can do straight microphone or you can do a headset with a boom on it. I actually prefer the latter for you guys. If you're going to be a console streamer from your Xbox or PlayStation, I would recommend on getting some good headphones with a boom with a good mic on it, because that way at least you'll get surround sound for playing in games, and thus can make it a little bit better so you know where all the game interaction sounds are coming from, and having a good mic will help you out a lot. I will put a link in the description below of a few that I will recommend out there. But headsets and headphones, I kind of have to break those up in different videos because there's a lot of in-depth information I can go in, not just on dollar price, but just on the quality itself. So if there's one out there you guys like me to review, again, leave a comment below and I will see what I can do. Look, streaming from your console is not an easy thing, but people think when they stream from their console, they can't compete with the big streamers out there. And that is just straight up BS. You can. I watch a lot of streamers out there that stream only from a PS4 or an Xbox, and they do great. You can do phenomenal things as long as you work, grind, and hustle it hard enough. Don't be depressed and just think because I don't have the fancy equipment like the big boys that I can't stand out. Do this, work hard, and you will achieve great things. And trust me, if you do achieve things, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know because I would love to congratulate you. If you guys like this type of video and you want to see more from me, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you need help with. And if you'd like to keep up with me and all of my social aspects, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you want to be a true bro or a bae out there, make sure you go over to Twitch and follow me at twitch.tv/wildforgames or even hit that fun sub button. I want to thank you all for taking a look at this video. I will see you all next time, coming up in the next stream support video, coming real soon. Take care all. Peace.